Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. I hope you guys are doing well. In this episode we will check updated chart of BTC in different time frame like 4 hour daily and weekly. If you are already connected with me with multiple channels, you are already updated with the market. You can see on main channel I have posted one video on BTC market structure 6 days ago. On smart trades you can see 1 day ago I have shared gold price analysis. On crypto point Marathi 18 hours ago I have shared BTC technical analysis. On wealthy ways by Amit you can see here Solana technical analysis has been shared here. If you want updates in English, you can stay connected with amitandcrypto and smart trades. If you are into cryptocurrency journey, want to stay updated with the market, then you guys can follow up our YouTube channels. Amitandcrypto smart trades English version. Crypto One Marathi is about Marathi language. Wealthy ways by Amit it's about Hindi language. So stay connected with us with comfortable language. Now let's get started with BTC analysis. Currently I have enabled weekly chart. As you can see, we have two different levels here. First of all, this one which was lastly created, and this is very strong base in weekly. Next we have resistance point like this. Okay, price is exactly following the resistance point. So weekly giving us some bad signs because price is exactly at the resistance point and price is dropping from that range, right? If you check carefully, we have like these movements and price exactly doing drop activity after testing this resistance point. Weekly is giving us some bearish signal because weekly follows. If this resistance works here strongly, then we might have one more drop down till 66k as per weekly analysis. But if you check with daily, things will be different here. We are on support point. As you can see, this is the support point. Okay, this whole base can be considered as the support point here, and price is not testing the support point. If support point works great here, if hold this point, even after creating one trap here, price can switch to the next lane, which is upper side lane. But it's completely depends on the price activity on this support point, how it reacts. If it holds and gives us some consolidation points and creates some good candlesticks with good volume, then we might have this movement. But if fails to hold this point, then we might have next support test. But let's see, we don't have any confirmation right now because price is in decision movement. Weekly has been cleared, daily has been cleared. Now let's check 4 hour chart. 4 hour is showing little bit reversal point because after hitting this support point, price is now consolidating here. Okay, wait for proper consolidation. If price stays in between this area, there are possibilities it can create a waveform like this and move upward side. That's it. That's why waiting patiently for the right moment is always a right decision, right? I hope key levels in BTC is clear now. Moving crypto across different blockchain is still not as simple as it should be. In most cases, users need to go through multiple steps like bridging assets, swapping on different platform, and manually transferring token between wallets. This can feel a bit complex, especially when everything could ideally be in a single step. We are talking about Change Now platform. This video is sponsored by Change Now. Thanks to Change Now for supporting this video. With Change Now, you can swap and exchange cryptocurrencies at one platform. With that, you can also perform buy and sell actions. Limitless Web 3.0 crypto exchange. As per website information, you can see trusted since 2017. Change Now is non-custodial crypto exchange platform that allows users to swap digital assets across multiple blockchains in a simple, streamlined way. If you want to take a look to this platform, you can check the link which is available in the video's description. It is designed to reduce the need for multiple platforms by combining the swap process into one interface where everything happens in a single flow. No account setup is required for basic swaps, and users stay in control of their assets throughout this process. You can see here available options to do. Once you check this profile icon, exchange, balance, cashback, staking, plans, loans, AML check, history, settings, and last one is logo. To perform any type of actions like exchange or swaps, you need some assets in your wallet or balance section. So you can use this section to deposit your crypto assets. Okay, let's say if you want to perform exchange task. Let's see how it works. The process is simple. Select the asset you want to send, select the asset you want to receive, enter destination wallet address. After that, the system automatically processes the swap route in the background. This removes the need manually bridge or switch between multiple services. For example, here first section is about exchange crypto, next is buy and sell crypto, and third one is balance crypto. Let's say you have amount in USDT Tron blockchain network, and if you want to simply switch to the Ethereum, then what you need to do, first of all select asset which you have, and afterwards destination which you want, and simply enter your wallet address where you want to see your assets. Right, after that simply click on exchange. For example, currently I have copied my Ethereum address. Simply I have to enter here, or you can also simply connect your MetaMask here and use address wisely. Okay, once you are done, simply click on exchange. Now you need to transfer this USDT funds because you are going to transfer. For example, in this case we are doing 5000 USDT with Tron network to Ethereum. So once you send this balance to this address, automatically swap process will complete here, and we can see here complete process, awaiting deposit, confirming, exchanging and sending to you. On Ethereum network, Ethereum address, the assets will be transferred once I send 5000 USDT TRX on this chain. So that's how swapping process works. Also you can learn more about tips, how it works, how do's and don'ts has been mentioned here, how to cancel on an exchange, and complete details has been mentioned here. Or if you want to use through balance, you can also use this section and deposit your funds here. Right, in history you can see exchange swap process which you have recently completed. In more sections also you can explore features like cashback, staking, payment link, loans and AML chain. If you want to perform buy and sell, simply check available options, and afterwards click on it, select appropriate payment methods and click on buy. You can see payment offers. You have to use one of these payment method to complete this action of buy. Key features of this platform: multi-chain support, fast execution, non-custodial, transparent process, wide asset coverage. In non-custodial structure, user always retain control of their funds during the swap process. Multi-chain support, it allows swaps across wide range of blockchain networks. During cross-chain transfer, more accessible from a single interface. Let's say you can do one more thing here. For example, you have Ethereum, but on Ethereum network you want on the Ethereum base or different network, you can choose here. Using this platform, you can also change network and transfer to the targeted network to any wallet address. Okay, when you use any type of software wallets or MetaMask or any cold wallets, you need to transfer your funds using network only. So if you have USDT in Tether on Tron network, then you need Tron in your assets tab. And afterwards, using Tron as a transaction fees, you can transfer this entire Tron USDT funds. So if you want to change the network or swap assets, you may check change now platform. In multi-chain support, it allows swaps across a wide range of blockchain networks, making cross-chain transfer more accessible from a single flow or interface. Fast execution, most swaps are completed quickly depending on the network conditions, with real-time tracking available throughout the process. About transparent, before confirming a swap, users can see full route and expected outcome clearly on the interface. Wide asset coverage, supports a large variety of cryptocurrencies. You can see here all 1246 cryptocurrencies are available. You can explore here what type of cryptocurrencies are available. You can choose wisely. Major coins, stable coins and tokens across multiple ecosystem. In real world example, bridging the assets, swapping to another platform, sending funds to the wallet. Normally moving crypto from one chain to another chain is possible using this bridge called change now. Platform access by three ways. Web platform, mobile app is available, as well as you can see option as Telegram bot. Simply click on it, you can see here open Telegram, and you can see here change now official bot. Simply click on it. With the help of this bot, you can also perform the actions. There is also an advanced version called Change Now Pro for users who need additional tools. When you visit this first page after completing sign up process, simply you can find out here Change Now Pro. On the top also you can get this option now products, and simply you can switch for the Change Now Pro. You can explore features here. It's about unlocking powerful features like cashback, rewards, lower conversion fees, limit orders, AML checks and more. You may be eligible for the profits from your transaction with a free account. You can see here users activity and platform features. about cashback and how it works. Secure crypto custody. Alright, it's about pro feature. Change now operates as an account free crypto platform, but in some cases additional verification step may be required depending on the transaction conditions and compliance requirements. You will find out options to complete your KYC verification or make your account stronger using security features like Google Authenticator. Okay, also you can see here account level, which is right now. You can also upgrade your subscription level as we seen right now, which is pro. Also, if you want to change your account credentials, you can change here. Okay, if identity verification is required for your transaction, you may complete here. Right, overall change now is designed to simplify cross-chain crypto swaps by reducing multiple steps into single and easy process. If you want to explore it, you can check the link in the video's description. I hope today's episode was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.